Are you interested to know what AI-driven products or services can creators develop for passive income? How can AI help creators improve their content quality and engagement on social media? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over about how to make money with AI, a guide for beginners in the creator economy. Welcome to our video on making money with AI in the creator economy. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming the way creators can generate income. From content creation to marketing strategies, AI offers a plethora of opportunities that can help you elevate your creative projects and boost your earnings. In this video, we'll explore various AI tools and platforms that can streamline your workflow, enhance your creativity, and ultimately lead to increased revenue. We'll discuss real-life examples of creators who have successfully harnessed AI to monetize their skills and ideas. Get ready to discover innovative ways to leverage AI technology, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights on how to effectively monetize AI in your own creative endeavors. So let's jump in and unlock the potential of AI together. Understanding AI and its applications. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn. In today's economy, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force reshaping industries and driving innovation. For creators, understanding AI is crucial as it opens doors to new possibilities in content creation and marketing. AI can be applied in various fields, from automating repetitive tasks to generating personalized content that resonates with audiences. In content creation, tools powered by AI can assist in writing, video editing, and even graphic design, allowing creators to focus on their core ideas. In marketing, AI algorithms analyze consumer behavior, enabling targeted campaigns that yield higher engagement and conversion rates. For creators, staying updated with AI trends is essential. As technology evolves, those who adapt and leverage AI tools will have a competitive edge, ensuring they remain relevant in an ever-changing landscape. Embracing AI can lead to enhanced creativity and increased profitability. Identifying profitable AI tools. In the ever-evolving landscape of the creator economy, leveraging the right AI tools can significantly boost your income potential. Popular tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Jasper are game changers for content creation. ChatGPT can assist in generating engaging written content, whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or scripts. DALL-E, on the other hand, allows creators to generate stunning visuals from text prompts, making it easier to produce eye-catching graphics without needing extensive design skills. Jasper is another powerful tool that helps streamline the writing process, offering suggestions and improving overall content quality. These AI tools not only enhance productivity by automating time-consuming tasks, but also spark creativity by providing fresh ideas and perspectives. As a creator, it's essential to experiment with different tools to discover which ones resonate with your workflow and style. By finding the right combination of AI tools, you can unlock new avenues for creativity and income generation, setting yourself apart in a competitive market. Creating AI-driven content. Creating engaging content using AI technologies can elevate your creative projects to new heights. Start by utilizing AI tools for video scripts. Platforms like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas and structure your narrative effectively. For graphics, tools like DALL-E can generate unique visuals based on your concepts, allowing you to create eye-catching thumbnails and social media posts effortlessly. When it comes to music, AI-driven platforms can compose original tracks that fit the mood of your content, saving you time and enhancing your production quality. However, while AI can significantly aid in content creation, it's crucial to maintain originality and a personal touch. Your unique voice and perspective are what truly resonate with audiences. Therefore, think of AI as a collaborator rather than a replacement. By blending human creativity with AI capabilities, you can produce content that is not only innovative, but also authentic. Embrace this synergy to create compelling, engaging content that stands out in the crowded digital landscape. Monetization strategies with AI. Monetizing AI generated content opens up a world of opportunities for creators looking to boost their income. One effective strategy is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services related to your content and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Additionally, ad revenue can be a significant source of income, especially if you create engaging videos or blogs that attract a large audience. Platforms like YouTube and various blogging sites offer monetization options that can complement your AI generated content. Another promising avenue is selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or exclusive templates created with the help of AI tools. Subscription models are also gaining traction, allowing you to offer exclusive AI-generated content to subscribers for a monthly fee. This not only provides a steady income stream, but also fosters a loyal community around your work. By diversifying your income streams using AI, you can create a sustainable and profitable creative business that adapts to changing market demands. Building an online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for creators looking to share AI-generated content and connect with their audience. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are excellent avenues for showcasing your work, each offering unique features to engage viewers. YouTube allows for in-depth tutorials and storytelling, while Instagram is perfect for visually striking content, and TikTok excels in short, captivating videos that can go viral. Branding plays a significant role in your success. A cohesive and recognizable brand helps you stand out in a crowded digital landscape. This includes everything from your visual style to your messaging and tone. Audience engagement is equally important. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating interactive content fosters a sense of community and loyalty among your followers. Consistency is key in building your online presence. Regularly posting content and interacting with your audience not only keeps them engaged, but also helps you grow your following over time. By prioritizing these elements, you can create a thriving online presence that amplifies your AI-driven creative endeavors. Legal and ethical considerations. As creators increasingly turn to AI for content generation, it's essential to address the legal and ethical aspects involved. One major concern is copyright issues related to AI-generated content. Depending on the jurisdiction, the ownership of content created by AI can be complex, and it's crucial to understand the implications of using AI tools that may incorporate copyrighted materials. Always ensure that you have the rights to use any AI-generated content, and consider consulting legal experts if needed. Transparency with your audience about your use of AI is also vital. Being open about how you incorporate AI in your creative process fosters trust and helps your audience understand the value of your work. Moreover, ethical practices in AI application should be a priority. This includes avoiding plagiarism, ensuring the accuracy of information, and being mindful of the potential biases in AI algorithms. By adhering to these principles, you can build a reputable brand that resonates with your audience while navigating the evolving landscape of AI in content creation. In conclusion, we explored various strategies for making money with AI in the creator economy. We discussed how to identify profitable AI tools, create engaging AI-driven content, and implement effective monetization strategies such as affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and subscription models. We also highlighted the importance of building a strong online presence and addressing the legal and ethical considerations of using AI in your work. As the landscape of AI continues to evolve, continuous learning and adaptation are essential for staying ahead. Embracing new tools and trends will not only enhance your creativity, but also open up new income opportunities. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights like this video to show your support and share it with fellow creators who might benefit from these strategies. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of AI and unlock its full potential in the creator economy. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.